This iguana is sneezing salt water out of its nose, because marine iguanas are the only lizard on Earth that feeds in the ocean. During its dive while it's feeding under the water, it's swallowing copious amounts of salt water. So over time, evolution gave them salt glands to blast the salt water from their nose to desalinate, and eventually their skin turned black so that when they finished their freezing cold dives, they could warm up more rapidly in the sun. However, their colorful cousin, the land iguana, never set foot in the ocean, just eating fruits and veggies and surviving on the land. And these fascinating marine iguanas can only be found in the Galapagos. Oh!